Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and battery. Removal. Disconnect the right front speaker cable from its connector on the system board. Remove the two 3.5mm and one 2mm P0 Phillips head screws that secure the right front speaker to the top cover. Lift the right front speaker off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Replacement. Place the right front speaker onto the alignment pins on the top cover. Replace the one 2mm and two 3.5mm P0 Phillips head screws that secure the right front speaker to the top cover. Connect the right front speaker cable into its connector on the system board.